Before, I was merely a work of art, static, only to be observed in quiet admiration. Now I am alive with Crazy Talk 6. To give me life, you just need to record your voice or type in text. Crazy Talk will automatically make my lips move in sync with the audio. Master the art of facial animation with easy controls in Crazy Talk. Simply move your mouse cursor to puppeteer the facial expression easily, or choose an automatic emotive to fit your actor. Blink or rotate the eyes. Animate individual muscles. Or control the whole facial emotion with various modes. Then, you can keep all your real-time control in the timeline editor for further fine-tuning. Crazy Talk supports most popular video formats. You can also export your characters with Alpha Channel, which is great for generating footage that is specifically designed for post-production editing. Crazy Talk 6. Make any image or even masterpiece come to life. Absolutely fascinating.